Imagine discovering a simple, inexpensive tool that instantly transforms your home from chaotic clutter into perfectly structured order. This everyday household item, often overlooked, possesses surprising power to conquer disorganization in countless unexpected ways. Forget complex systems or expensive gadgets. The secret to immediate tidiness might already reside within your kitchen drawer. Unbelievably, a common tube of glue holds the key to unlocking efficient, lasting organization for almost every room you inhabit. Many people struggle daily with misplaced items, overflowing drawers, and general domestic chaos, feeling overwhelmed by their possessions. Traditional organizing methods often involve extensive sorting, buying expensive containers, or dedicating entire weekends to daunting decluttering projects. However, this approach can feel time-consuming and discouraging, leading many to abandon their organizational goals before truly starting the process. We constantly seek quick fixes and clever hacks that deliver tangible results without demanding significant investments of time or money. This is precisely where the humble yet mighty Adhesive steps in, offering immediate solutions to nagging organizational dilemmas around the house. Think beyond simple repairs. Glue provides structural integrity and secure placement, essential elements for maintaining a well-ordered living space. It offers an almost invisible hand, holding things exactly where they belong, preventing them from scattering or creating visual noise. Utilizing glue effectively means creating custom storage solutions tailored specifically to your unique items and available vertical spaces. This method dramatically reduces the time spent searching for misplaced objects, streamlining daily routines, and minimizing frustration for everyone. Understanding its versatile applications will empower you to tackle common clutter zones with remarkable speed and impressive long-term durability. Consider the tangled mess of cables behind your television or computer desk, an eyesore that often frustrates attempts at tidiness. A small dot of hot glue applied to a desk can secure cable clips, keeping wires perfectly aligned and out of sight. This simple technique transforms chaotic tangles into an organized, unobtrusive system, making vacuuming and dusting significantly easier to manage. Wait until you discover how this same principle applies to creating custom storage for tiny, easily lost items like hairpins. For example, attach small plastic containers or bottle caps inside cabinet doors using strong adhesive for instant, hidden storage. These custom-built compartments provide dedicated homes for small objects, preventing them from rattling around in drawers or getting lost altogether. Imagine opening a medicine cabinet and seeing neatly organized cotton swabs or nail clippers, each held securely in its designated spot. Another common organizational challenge involves keeping kitchen utensils or cleaning supplies accessible, yet orderly under the sink or in pantries. Glue small hooks or magnetic strips to the inside of cabinet doors, hanging items like oven mitts or spray bottles vertically. This simple vertical storage method maximizes otherwise unused space, each held securely in its designated spot. But that's not the only way glue revolutionizes kitchen organization. Its strength creates surprisingly robust, custom shelving solutions too. Consider lightweight spice racks or small shelves for condiments. These can be firmly attached to kitchen backsplashes or cabinet exteriors. Using a heavy-duty construction, Adhesive ensures these additions remain steadfast, providing accessible storage without drilling permanent holes into surfaces. This temporary yet incredibly strong bond allows for flexible rearrangement if your organizational needs evolve, offering true adaptability. Think about the constant battle with sliding rugs or mats that perpetually shift out of place, creating tripping hazards. Applying a few lines of silicone-based adhesive to the underside of rugs prevents unwanted movement, keeping them perfectly positioned and flat. This simple, non-damaging solution offers immediate stability, enhancing both the safety and the aesthetic appeal of your flooring surfaces. Wait until you hear how glue can transform cluttered paperwork into a streamlined, manageable system without buying new filing cabinets. For office or craft areas, glue small, clear plastic pockets or envelopes onto the inside of desk drawers or cabinet doors. These instant pockets provide perfect homes for receipts, stamps, small notes, or even tiny craft embellishments, keeping them visible and contained. The transparency of the pockets ensures you quickly identify contents, eliminating frustrating searches through piles of loose papers or containers. Imagine your home office where every important document has a dedicated, easily accessible spot, held firmly by a simple adhesive. Even children's playrooms benefit immensely from glue-based organization, turning toy storage into an engaging, simple activity for young ones. Glue clear plastic jars or small buckets to low shelves or walls, creating visible storage for blocks, crayons, or small figures. This encourages children to easily put away their toys, as each item has a clear, accessible parking spot, fostering good habits. And then something unexpected happened. Glue became the silent hero in countless homes, preventing daily chaos and promoting lasting order. Implementing these simple, glue-based organization hacks dramatically reduces visual clutter, instantly making any room feel more spacious and inviting. The psychological benefit of a tidy environment is profound, alleviating stress and fostering a sense of calm and control. You will experience increased efficiency in daily tasks, as fewer items get lost or accidentally damaged designated place, minimizing wasted time searching for items. This newfound order extends beyond mere aesthetics. It translates into tangible savings, as fewer items get lost or accidentally damaged. Imagine no longer buying duplicates of household goods simply because you cannot locate the original, a common and costly problem. Furthermore, these methods are incredibly cost-effective, leveraging inexpensive adhesives and often repurposing existing containers or materials for new uses. There is no need for expensive custom-built units or fancy storage systems when a simple tube of glue offers such versatile functionality. This approach empowers you to become a proactive organizer, taking charge of your home's layout with creative, practical, and highly effective solutions. The long-term durability of properly applied glue ensures your organizational efforts withstand daily use, maintaining their structure for years to come. Your home will transform into a sanctuary of order, reflecting a calmer mindset and a more intentional approach to living. Guests will notice the difference immediately, remarking on the serene atmosphere and effortless functionality of your beautifully arranged spaces. This isn't just about glue. It's about harnessing a simple principle to create profound, lasting improvements in your quality of life. The confidence gained from conquering clutter with such ease is immense, inspiring further organizational projects throughout your entire household. Ultimately, a strategically organized home, thanks to glue, becomes a more functional, enjoyable, and harmonious place for everyone. Embracing glue as an organization tool unlocks remarkable efficiency, transforming cluttered spaces into models of practical tidiness with minimal effort. Remember, the power to create a perfectly ordered home often resides in the simplest, most accessible solutions, ready for application. From securing cables to creating custom storage, glue offers an adaptable, durable, and highly effective path to a more organized existence. Unlock your home's potential for order and simplify your daily life, starting today, with these surprising adhesive applications. If you found these glue organization hacks helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more ingenious home solutions. Want to transform more areas of your home with clever tips? Hit subscribe and join our journey for a tidier, more organized life.